Today, we are going to learn how to multiply with 11. Let's start with an example like 22. Multiply by 11. We write same unit digit number 2 as it is. We write tens digit number 2 as it is. Just add unit and tens digit number, 2 plus 2. That will give us 4 and we write in between digit. And therefore our final answer is 242. Let's take a new example. Like 58. Into 11. We write same unit digit number 8. We write same tens digit number 5. We add both unit and tens digit number and get 13. For 13 we write 3. And get carry 1. Now, we add carry 1. We get 638. Our final answer is 638. Now, we start again with new example. Like 372. Multiply 11. We write same unit digit number 2. We write same hundred digit number 3. We add unit and tens digit number 7 plus 2. We write 9. We add 3 plus 7, we get 10. For 10, we write 0. And carry 1. Add carry 1. Our final answer is 4092. Now we start with new example. Start with 43. Multiply by 22. We apply formula, make unit digit 3 to multiply with 2, get 6. And we write 6. Second step is add unit and add. Tens digit number 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Now, multiply the 7 with 2, that is 14. For 14 now, we write 4. And carry 1. Now, multiply tens digit 4 with 2, we get 8. Now we add carry 1 equal to 9. And we write 9. And therefore our final answer is 946. Now we start with new example. Start with 72. Multiply by 22. We apply formula, make unit digit 2 to multiply with 2, get 4. We write 4. Next step, add unit and tens digit 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Now multiply 9 with 2, give us 18. For 18, we write 8. And have carry 1. Multiply tens digit 7 with 2, get 14. Now, we add carry 1 and get 15. We write 15. Our final answer is 1584. Now we start with new example, multiplication of 33. We start with 521. Multiply with 33. Multiply unit digit 1 with 3. We write 3. Add unit and tens digit 2 plus 1, get 3. Now, we multiply with 3. And we get 9. We write 9. Add 110's digit 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Multiply with 3, give us 21. For 21, we write 1. and we carry 2. Multiply 100-digit 5 with 3, get 15. Add, we carry plus 2 and get 17. We write 17. Our final answer is 17,193.